Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the number 6 from Number Lore. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the first eye with a curved rectangle on the right here. And then inside, let's add a border. And then color the inside rectangle in black. Now on top, let's add a wavy line out and curve it in at the end. And then let's add 2 more points going down. And then color the eyelashes in black. And that's it for the first eye. Next, let's hop on top and we're going to draw a large wavy line all the way across and up. Now at the end, let's curve it back up and in on top. And then curve it down at the end. Now to continue the body, let's draw a large curve up and over to the left side. And then bring it down and curve it in. Now top back over on the right underneath the eye and let's draw a curve down. And then close off the bottom of the body. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the other eye. Inside on the left, let's draw a square shape on an angle. And then add a border inside. And color it in black. Now for the eyelashes, let's start on top and let's draw a wavy line out. Curve it back in. And 2 more points underneath. And then let's color it in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop in between and draw the mouth. Let's start with the V-shaped point in the center. And then angle it down on each side. Then let's continue it on the left by drawing a curve down to the bottom. Lastly, let's hop up to the top and let's add a curve inside. And that's it for the number 6. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!